Welcome to the stylish, custom-built home, situated on nearly 3 acres in a wonderful country setting, and it's only minutes to wineries and vineyards. A long private drive leads to the spacious home with a guest house on gorgeous landscaped grounds. Heading inside, you'll discover a beautifully designed interior that's perfect for entertaining. From here, head to the south-facing sunroom with a fireplace and walls of windows. The gourmet kitchen is warm and inviting with stainless steel appliances and granite counters. You'll find a spacious master suite with access to the patio. The spa-inspired custom tile master bath includes a dual-sink vanity, a jetted tub, a large shower, and a walk-in closet with organizers. This home of more than 3,700 square feet has additional large bedrooms with abundant natural light. And it's wired throughout for sound and an alarm system. On the upper level, you'll find the ultimate flex space that's perfect for a home office, game room, or kids' play area. Relax and unwind on the expansive slate patio in this natural private setting with an irrigation system and raised beds. A separate driveway leads to the charming guest house. It's an open and inviting interior with a fireplace, built-ins, a full kitchen, a bedroom and full bath. Plus a spacious kids' loft. Living here, you'll enjoy peaceful country living in the heart of wine country, yet you're just minutes to shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. A fantastic home and property on Mountain Creek Road, and it's ready for you here to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.